Okay, find your seat and try to arrive immediately to a space of presence. For this practice, keep your eyes open and observe your visual field. Eyes are relaxed, not focusing on anything in particular. Just see the whole field like a still picture frame, including the periphery. Make it a wide field. Stretch the field of your vision to all the available corners without moving your eyes. Then choose one object within your visual field and look at that object as if for the very first time. You are like a child, seeing it through new eyes of wonder. Imagine you don't know anything about it. What is it made of? How is it put together? Where did it come from? And how did it get there? What is its function? You are seeing it for the very first time through new eyes. Now, continue looking at the object, but do so lovingly. Look at the object with love. It will become a person. Notice that the object has its very own essence, its own qualities, and its own consciousness. Try to feel the object. Forget about yourself for a moment. Forget yourself completely and feel and become the object. What does it feel like to be that object? To be made of what it's made of? What does it feel like to provide its function to the world? To give of itself for the enjoyment or use of others. Fill yourself with love for being this object, for what this object does for you and what it can do for others. and ask how you can help this object become more and become more beautiful. Being more and more loving for the object and feeling its consciousness and its qualities as if they are a part of you. Allow this object to completely fill your consciousness. You have become it. You are full of love for it. There is only the object, and you are in it, and it is you. And once you feel that this object and its qualities and your love for it has completely filled your consciousness, slowly and gently close your eyes and feel the love and the consciousness of this object within you. The thoughts and the feelings remain. And then ever so slowly withdraw, remove the thoughts of this object, and be left alone in this space. Okay. So using this technique, literally anything in your life can become an object of meditation. As you walk through your day, as you go through life, you can simply begin to observe the world or an object with the eyes of a child, wondering what this object is. What is it for? Imagine you knew nothing about it, that you were an alien landing on Earth. And then imagining that the object was actually a person and have love for it. In this way, everything is actually new and exciting, and you'll never be bored because everything will constantly be recreated and allow you to connect with it. So I hope you enjoyed that practice, and I hope you get a sense of wonder and excitement after doing it, and that you can go about and feeling that every day whenever you choose.